Did you know that there is a plant capable of regenerating your liver tissue even when it has been damaged by toxins, alcohol, or medications? Today at BioWisdom, we are going to explore in-depth milk thistle, a medicinal plant used for over 2,000 years that modern science recognizes today as the most powerful liver protector in the plant kingdom. If you suffer from fatty liver, slow digestion, or simply want to do a deep cleanse of your body, this video is for you. The secret of milk thistle lies in its biochemical heart, silymarin. This is not a single compound, but a complex of flavonolignin that act directly on liver cells, the hepatocytes. Silymarin has an amazing function. It stabilizes cell membranes so toxins cannot penetrate them, and even more incredibly, it stimulates protein synthesis so the liver can create new, healthy tissue. It is, quite literally, an architect of cellular reconstruction. But the power of milk thistle doesn't stop there. It is one of the most important precursors of glutathione, known as your body's master antioxidant. Glutathione is responsible for neutralizing free radicals and detoxifying every cell in your system. By taking milk thistle, you can increase glutathione levels in your liver by up to 35%, boosting your natural self-cleaning capacity. Furthermore, recent studies have shown that it has antifibrotic effects, meaning it can help prevent the scarring of liver tissue, cirrhosis, before it becomes irreversible. How should you take it so it actually works? Many people make the mistake of just having a tea made from the seeds. The problem is that silymarin does not dissolve well in water. Therefore, to obtain real therapeutic results, it is ideal to consume crushed seeds or, even better, a standardized extract. If you use natural seeds, grind them just before consumption and add them to yogurt or a smoothie. A standard cleansing protocol usually lasts between 4 and 8 weeks. As always at BioWisdom, your safety comes first. Milk thistle is very safe, but it can have a mild effect on blood sugar and may interact with certain medications processed by the liver. It is not recommended for pregnant or lactating women without supervision. Milk thistle is the guardian of your internal laboratory. Did you know about its power to regenerate the liver? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to BioWisdom and turn on the bell to keep healing with the wisdom of the earth.